Hello viewers, hi, this is Shan Tariq and in this video tutorial I can tell you about while loop. So here we can start. First of all I can uh, tell you something about while loop. Here we can while. This is a while loop. You can see that while loop. Here is your it is your while statement and this is your condition only part when while loop is run. This is the conditional part, or in this conditional part while loop are run. So here program, what the running of this program is that your compiler check that condition and run it infinity, and run it when your condition is false. If your condition is false false then while loop do not work. Here we can check that. See out. uh, it not print, not display. It is it not display. It not display. So I can check that that's true or false. uh, Control Shift B to debug. Here you can see that successful, and here you can see this. Here you can see this. Please enter any press any key to continue. There is nothing to nothing show. uh, if I give a condition here true, then while loop print infinite time, it is display. Here we can check that. Control Shift B and F5. Here you can see this. These are print infinity time, infinite time. So what is the use of while loop? uh, I can tell you some use of while loop. You can check the conditional part. Here you can say that if this is true, then your loop is running, and then your loop is break. So I can tell you same example, like I can give in for loop. You can understand easily. Int I equals to 0, equals to 0, and here I can give a condition I is less than equals to 4, and print this I. Then in in for loop I can give increment part up here, but while loop automatically increment in this. So here we can check that. But I do not I do not increment automatically. You can increment this up here like same I plus plus. The best loop is for loop. You can do anything with for loop. For loop is also you can see that 0 1 2 3 4. You can print 0 1 2 3 4. I can tell you about some for loop. For loop is do anything with you can do anything with for loop. For loop is while loop. For loop is do while loop. You can create for loop like do while loop, and you can also create like while loop if you can. I can tell you in my previous tutorial of for loop. Then you can also